Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And if you don't know what 30-minute means, all that means is instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this may look like a few weeks worth of time here. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into those 30-minute time slices. Like I said, did this one yesterday. So let's get some things updated here. Although update's probably not really the right word, more so just kind of confirmation of a couple levels. The main level right here at the $1.65 mark, which in yesterday's video I talked about as support. And you can see today, multiple occasions, the price has quite a bit of history with it, including where it closed. Now, technically speaking, the price did close a penny below it. But the thing with supports and resistance levels is they're not specific exact prices. They do have a range element to them. So I would definitely consider, a close 1 penny below it within the range of that level of support. So I'm still going to consider $1.65, a level of support and say that it is still holding because, again, there is, the ranges. They're not specific exact prices. The other thing to just kind of reiterate, and actually kind of what I want to do from a house cleaning perspective, is in regards to this green line, I'm going to delete it out of there. The reason for that is this purple line is about to cross above it and then, take a higher priority. And for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, the purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average, is really kind of just the overall trend indicator here. And the level that, if you're just looking for a very easy, very simplistic way to monitor the quote-unquote story of the price and health of the price, then you can just look at that purple line, and as long as the price is above there being that purple line, the bulls are in full control. So again, because that purple line's about to cross above the green line, I'm just going to get rid of that. From a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, so we'll try to keep this as clean as possible. So again, from a support standpoint, $1.65, yeah, you ideally want to see that hold, but taking a step back, looking at big picture of things, as long as the price stays up above that purple line, bulls are in full control. In regards to levels of resistance, I do want to add in one more kind of shorter term area, but $1.85, as I talked about yesterday, is definitely the overall area of resistance. But before you start having any conversations about doing battle with the $1.85, first hurdle that's going to now need to be cleared right there at the $1.74 mark, which you can see on the decent sized little bounce right here. That is where the seller showed up at $1.74. So $1.74, $1.85, 2 levels of resistance going into next week. We'll see what happens with it. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.